quick tip today for you if you're advertising on YouTube. I want to think about who are your competitors. Wouldn't you really love to run your ads on their channel? You can absolutely take some of that audience and help encourage them along into watching your videos. So think about these 3 things. Who's your whale? Who is the channel that you want to be when you grow up? When you see yourself in 5 years as a YouTube content creator, who do you want to be like? Who's that whale channel for you? Who's right on par? Who's that second level competitor that's pretty much doing the things the same way you are? Their quality of videos is about the same. The types of videos is about the same. Maybe you guys are copycatting each other's videos. That's somebody who's right on par with you. And then the third level competitor, whose butt are you kicking? Who are you doing a way better job than them when you're creating content for kids? Those are the types of channels I want you collecting the channel addresses, so when you go in and set up a YouTube ads campaign, you can actually have your video run on their channels. Why is that important? Those channels already have an audience that wants to watch your type of content. Your type of content is similar enough to them. So steal some of that audience. We're not taking it away forever. We're just saying, hey kids who are watching videos on YouTube, come check out my channel. I have a lot of fun videos like this too. I hope that little ad tip helped you have a great day. Stay healthy, stay hydrated, and please take time away from your computer.